Hey YouTubers, good morning, Rob. Guys, we're going to talk about toes. You know, I'm an old guy. I walk a lot over the years, and I've had trouble with my toes now and then. And I've tried different things. Some things work, some things didn't. I thought we'd go over like 5 ways that you can fix toe problems. It doesn't matter if you're an old person or a young person. It happens to everybody, but for different reasons. The first thing, I'm going to start with the obvious, so don't bail on me. But some people, they might not realize. Like I have one video on no lights in my dashboard, and I let people know they have a dimmer switch, and I've got thousands of people. So thank you for letting me know. I didn't know. Sometimes obvious isn't obvious. Number one reason you might want to check is just try a different shoe or sock. Maybe it's not your foot, so you may not have to go see a doctor. You might just need a different. So we got that out of the way. Okay. Number two, you can just use moleskin, or you can use Band-Aids. What I like to use a lot of time is use cotton ball. Put them in between the toes. By the way, we have no film or videos of photos of toes or feet in this video, so all you people that like to watch feet, I'm saying that because I did a video years ago on driving barefoot, and I got the strangest comments from people. There's no feet in this video. We're just talking about how to fix toe problems. But yeah, if you put cotton balls in between your toes, if they're rubbing up against each other. Years ago, I walk a lot. I had one toe on my left foot. It would go over the middle toe. And now the last few months, I have a toe on my right foot that's doing something similar. So I don't know why it happens, but if you put something in between them, a lot of times that'll solve the problem. The third thing is, if you've got a lot of money, you can buy a sock that goes over each individual toe. They're very expensive, but they eliminate the friction and the rubbing. And they're very popular, but I don't have that type of money to be wasting on a sock that has little fingers on it. I have enough problems. The fourth tip is plain old Vaseline. Vaseline does at least two things. Number one, it softens the cuticles or the bunions or any parts that are stiff on or blisters on your toes and your feet, but also it eliminates friction. It's super cheap and it's extremely effective. The uh, the fifth thing is you might try not just a different shoe, but a different type of shoe. I have in the past broken my toes and found that if I used a moccasin or a soft shoe, uh, I don't have a soft shoe handy, but but if I used a steel toe shoe, what happened, it gave a lot of support to my toes so they didn't bend, and that eliminated any pain while I was walking till it healed. And so those are 5 tips. There's something else I wanted to let you know. A lot of people have trouble reaching their toes and manipulating uh, clippers and so on. These are Dr. Scholl's. I thought to myself, clippers are clippers. These are the best fingernail and toenail clippers I've ever had. I don't know if you can see this, but this almost like a convex bow to it. Instead of concave where it's curved in, it's almost flat on the top there with a tiny bit bulge out. So when you cut, it snips off little flat sections. And this has worked better for me cutting my fingernails and toenails than anything I've ever used. They're very inexpensive. You can get them. I'm not going to leave a link. You can get them at like Walmart or Walgreens or Amazon, any place. You can go to the factory in Korea and talk to Hiroshima Kabata, and then maybe he'll sign it for you. I don't know. you, you can get these anywhere. Dr. Scholl's. So guys, if you're having trouble with your toes, these are your toes. You might want to try those 5 tips. And I put on new videos every week. Been doing it for 15 years. Got over 1,100 videos and new stuff every single week. All right, guys. Oop, I'm not supposed to do that. Oh, that signs okay. I can't do the other one anymore. Okay. All right, take care.